In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a task in the Grok AI. Archiving is a simple, effective way to tidy up your workspace without losing anything important. Think of it as moving a task out of your active queue so you can focus on what matters right now, while still keeping a record you can reference later if you need to. First, open your Grok account. Launch the app on your device or open Grok in your browser and give it a moment to load your workspace fully. Once you're in, look for the icon that takes you to your tasks. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the sidebar or along the bottom navigation, and it often looks like a checkmark, a list, or a clipboard. Click that icon to open the task area so you're looking at the place where all your items live. Inside the task area, click Task to open your main list. You should now see your tasks organized however you typically view them, by date, by project, or by priority. Take a second to scan the list and identify the specific task you want to archive. It's worth double-checking the title, any labels or tags you've added so you're absolutely sure you're selecting the right one. This small pause helps prevent archiving the wrong item and keeps your system accurate. Once you've found the task, press and hold on it to bring up the actions for that item. That long press triggers the options menu associated with the task. When the menu appears, look for Archive and click Archive. That's all there is to it. The task immediately moves out of your active view and into your archived items, reducing visual clutter without losing the work, notes, or attachments tied to it. A few quick reminders as you do this. Archiving is not the same as deleting. Archiving hides the task from your active workflow so you can stay focused. Deletion removes it entirely. If you're working across multiple devices, the change may take a moment to sync, so give it a brief second if you don't see the update right away. And if your workspace uses filters or custom views, remember that archived tasks won't appear in active filters anymore, which is exactly what you want when you're cleaning things up. And that's the whole process. Open your Grok account, go to your tasks, click Task to view the list, select the item you want to tidy away, press and hold it, and choose Archive. With just a few clicks, you'll keep your task list focused and distraction-free while still preserving the details you might want to reference later.